So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran that He created the death and life just to test who is doing the best works, the best effort, the best deed. So yung buhay natin at kamatayan natin, likha ng Allah para nakita niya na sino gawin ng mabuti at sino gawa ng masama. Yung life na ito, subok lang na gusto ng Diyos natin, yung Panginoon Allah, yung tagapaglikha, gusto niya na tingnan na sino yung sa buhay na ito hanggang siya namatay na gawa ng mabuti at hindi gawa ng masama. I was listening this lecture, the comments of this great Bob wrestler, the Dwayne Johnson. He said that great Muhammad Ali used to say that you're living on earth, you're renting your room on earth, or your house, or your home on earth, that you have to pay the service to humanity. That's your rent. Because even how many houses we have, we are only renting, because once we die, we don't own anymore. We will be out of those, and then we will be going in the graveyard. So we are living here for temporary. Only the things we need to see. Allah is seeing us if we do good or evil. There was a great scholar in England, William Shakespeare. He was a great scholar, and he has a very good wisdom. And I think internally he believes in one God. He was a believer, and he might be a good Muslim. The William Shakespeare said the stage, and we all are the actors, bad actors and the good actors. We come on this earth, we perform either good or evil, and then we left. And the other actors come on this stage of the world, and that will be continued until the day of judgment. So this is the stage we are now. We come here, we perform to please Allah, or we can make Him angry, our God, the Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Dito tayo sa stage dito sa mundo na yan. Gagawin ng mabuti performance or masama performance. Sa araw sa napahukom sa harap tayo ng Diyos, yung Panginoon natin, yung tagapaglikha. Tapos, natanong niya na ano gagawin mo sa buhay mo, mabuti or masama. So, pinakamabuti na maniniwala tayo sa isang Diyos. Samba tayo sa isang Diyos, hindi gawa ng shirk, hindi samba sa Diyos-Diyusan, at gawa ng mabuti, magdasal, mag-fasting, magtulong sa tao, walang masamang salita, laging mabuti salita, walang sinungaling, walang loko-loko sa tao, no breaking your promise. Mayroon tayo ng salita, kung may salita, tupad. At lagi tayo ng justice, walang madaya. Gagawin ng mabuti sa lahat ng tao at hindi gagawin ng masama. So that's the purpose of our life. We are here to please Allah, and if you please Allah on the day of judgment, if Allah will ask me what I did in my life, then I can be proud to say, my God, I did this for you. So be happy with me, save me from the hellfire, and bring me in paradise. Our life is to do good with Allah, that to worship Him and not to worship any other God, and do good with our parents, our wives, our children, our brothers, sisters, uncles, aunties, grandparents, relatives, neighbors, friends, all the human beings, either Muslims or non-Muslim, Christian, Catholic, Buddhist, Chinese or Japanese or American or African or Asian, whoever the people of the world, we need to be good with them. We need to preach them to worship one God, and we need to share everything with them. We need to share our blessings with them for the sake of Allah, and that's the purpose of our life, and that can make us successful in this world and in the next life, and save us from hellfire and bring us in paradise for eternity in the next life. May Allah save us, may Allah guide us.